palm nut soup is the least favorite soup in my household, but when we crave it, we make it. So today, that's the recipe I'll be sharing with you guys. And before I start, I used the palm fruit itself, but of course, this soup will be amazing if you have the one in the can or the already processed one, and that will be fine as well. Let's get started. So I usually cook my palm fruit with turkey berries, and then I pound or I use my food processor, okay, to process it and then put it in the freezer. So when I'm ready, I take it out to thaw, and then I add lukewarm or warm water, and then I extract the juice from the pulp or the fruit, okay. So once I take out the liquid, I set it aside and then start my soup. I also wash and roast my eating fruit or prekese, and then I also roast all my proteins that I can roast, okay. So in goes my goat meat with some blended onions, and then I'm going in with my chicken wings as well, and then add in some ginger and garlic paste accompanied by some spices and salt. I'll add enough water and then give it a quick mix and then cover and allow it to steam. In a previous video, which I'll leave the link in the description box, I shared some tips to make amazing palm nut soup. So please check that video out also. So my meat steamed for 25 minutes, and I had to turn off the fire to attend to baby girl. That's why you don't see it boiling, okay? But then I went ahead to add in my palm juice or palm liquid, whatever you want to call it, okay? And then I'll add in some vegetables to cook alongside the soup base, okay? So I'm going in with some onions, carrots, which are optional, my Eden fruit to go in at this point, and then I'll cover, give it about 5 minutes, and then open it up again and add my tomatoes because they are softer and cook more quickly, okay? So I'll give this about 5 minutes as well. And then I'll come back to it, take out the vegetables, blend all of them, and put it back into the soup. So I blended pepper just a little bit, okay, in addition to this, because now little girl or the baby girl is eating with us, okay, so we don't add too much spice to our food. By spice, I mean pepper, okay. So in goes my blended vegetables, and then I'll add in a bit of water and then cover the soup and allow it to continue cooking. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. So before then, I also went in with some leftover chicken wings and some air fried fish as well. Gave it a gentle mix and then covered the soup on low heat and allowed it to finish cooking. I think I lost some tapes. Not I think I lost some footages, but yes, this is the finished product. It looks amazing. The first day we had it with fufu, and then consequently we had it with plain rice. You know, if you're Ghanaian, that palm nut soup and rice hits different on like day three or something like that. Okay. I hope you are inspired to try this simple palm nut soup recipe. If you do, please give me a feedback. Leave a comments down below on your way out. Share as well and let this video get to others as well. If you are not subscribed already, please do so. And also give me the thumbs up on this video, okay? I'm so grateful for your time. And until we meet again, keep blooming.